Hi, I'm Kevin Kelly. I'm here at the NRA show in Chicago, Illinois. I want to talk about our 2020 Kitchen Innovation Award winner, our XHP Synergy Grill. It uses anywhere from 50 to 70% less gas than a traditional broiler. The technology of having a power burner, a blower system, and a ceramic deck working together gives you the synergy of broiling that will produce better tasting food. No flare up, no flavor transfer, easy cleanup, and less smoke emission. Simple to use, turn it on, set your temperature, and you're good to go. Come in the next morning, lift up the grate. If there's any residue, all you do, easy to clean up, you go in, sweep it, or take a shop vac and vacuum it out. And as you see, there's no cumbersome grease straws you have to worry about. It's the newest product to hit the market. It will revolutionize broiling in our industry. For more information, please contact your local rep.